Hey guys, Chungdha here. In this video I want to talk about the Mulan movie. I've seen it. I'm not going to talk about the politics behind it, but honestly it is not really a good movie. There's a lot of things that's gone wrong and a lot of things that's kind of weird for such a expensive movie to have such a weird thing going on. So first thing, let's talk about the movie is like there is like a phoenix bird that keeps flying around. However, it doesn't really have real interaction between the main character and the bird, and it feels like they could have left that bird out and it wouldn't change anything to the whole movie, and it was just a waste of time or waste of adding it to the movie. And other things is like that's weird is Jet Li's voice being ADR'd with somebody else's voice, and it's very notable ADR, so it kind of takes you out of the movie for a bit when he is speaking. But Jet Li as the Emperor is actually pretty cool to see him doing that role, and he actually fits that role quite well. And honestly, the casting of the movie is pretty well done. Like there's not really like some casting that really is pushed or feels really weird. However, one of the bad side of the casting is the voices. So main thing is like you can kind of hear like which are Asian American actors and who are actors from Asia, because you can hear like people speaking perfect American or people speaking with a accent. So that is kind of draws you out some from time to time also, so that is a little bit odd. So I rather either they all had an accent or they all spoke perfectly English instead. So that is something that is a little bit weird with that movie. Or honestly, I would rather they had it being a total Chinese movie and just had like subtitles instead of it being like this. Other way, yeah, the other things with the movie, honestly, the cinematography, the choreography, the action, everything, those looks really good. But one thing that really draws me out is the pacing of the edit. It feels like a lot of things is too rushed. A lot of the emotions, instead of holding it or like slowly building it up and holding it and like giving you that really emotional feeling, it's too fast of a pace to really register as yourself, or actually for you to register those emotions. And it happens throughout the movie that these kind of things is happening, so you don't really get real emotional about this movie and kind of don't start to care because it keeps on happening in such a weird pace of edit. Also, the script feels like I'm not quite sure if it's the problem of the script or the problem of the edit, because you have like scenes that just make things change too fast, or things are just happening too fast, making you not really like that it's literally the next scene that something is totally flipped 180 degrees. So it just, there's things happening too fast, or also a lot of things it feels like that is unexplained enough for people to understand. And yeah, it is just, for me, yeah, the movie is just not really a good movie. I feel like maybe they could have saved it in the edit, because I feel like the cinematography is really well done, the directing is well done, so I feel like they might have quite a lot of footage shot that would have made this movie really a good movie, but in the edit somehow it's totally lost. So I'm not quite sure if they could make a better edit version and release that for the audience. But currently, the current version, it feels like a really badly quick pace editing that doesn't feel right for this movie. That was my opinion. Hope you guys found it an interesting video, and thank you guys for watching, and see you next time. Bye bye.